Hello class 2, welcome to your GK class children. So today in this class we will do chapter 7, and you know that in the previous class we have completed, this is a book, we have completed chapter 6, right? So this is your book, so please take out your book, your GK book, and open your book at page number 10. This is page number 10 of your book, and the chapter that we are going to start today is chapter 7, and this chapter is all about fruits, nuts and vegetables. Okay, these are very healthy things that we should consume regularly, right? We should have fruits, nuts and vegetables regularly to keep ourselves healthy and fit. So here we in this chapter we learn more about this fruits. So the first one is name this. Here you can see 8 pictures given here. What you have to do is write down the name of this fruits in the book itself, or you can mark them because the name of the fruits are also given here. See, the names of the fruits are given here, and these are the picture of the fruits. So from here you have to choose the name. Okay, suppose what is this? This is a fruit, very tasty fruit. What is the name of this fruit? This is pears, right? Pear, P-E-A-R. So from here you have to find out where pear is. So we can see pear here, P-E-A-R, pear. So this is a very tasty fruit. So you can write this P-E-A-R here, and otherwise you can number also. But better you write here because space is given. So here you will write P-E-A-R, pear, because this is pear, right? Then come to number B. This is number B. Which fruit is this? Right. So here you can write, first of all you write pear, then number B is peach, P-E-A-C-H, peach. Then number C is cherry, C-H-E-R-R-Y, cherry. Number D is marshmallow. This is marshmallow, right? From here you have to see where is marshmallow given. This is marshmallow, right? So you have to write it here. Then this one, this is what? These are dates. So this is what? This is sweet lime. Then this is jamun. And the last one, what is this? Very common. And this is Cape gooseberry. This is called Cape gooseberry. Okay, so all of you take a pencil in your hand and start writing. You write with me. So number A, you will write pear, P-E-A-R, pear. Write down pear, number A. Then this is what? Peach, P-E-A-C-H. Write down P-E-A-C-H, peach. Then number C. Number C is what? It is cherry. C-H-E-R-R-Y. Cherry. Okay. This way also 2 ways you can write here also you can write, but better write in the space given. For your convenience you can write name here also. 3 done. Number 4. This is marshmallow. So let us do here number 4. Write down M-U-S-K, M-U-S-K, M-E-L-O-N, marshmallow. Done. Then come down, number E, that is date, D-A-T-E, date. You like date? It is very good. You should have date. Date, we call it khejur, right? Date, D-A-T-E, date. And this is what? Sweet lime. Write down sweet lime, and in here date you can write number E. Then number F is sweet lime. Number F. S-W-E-E-T, sweet, L-I-M-E, lime, sweet lime. F. F is sweet lime. Okay, now next one, see, G is jamun, J-A Jamun, jamun. So here there you write G near jamun. Okay, jamun. Then this last one, it is called Cape Gooseberry. You love it, Cape Gooseberry? Cape, Cape Gooseberry, Goose, write down Goose, berry, Berry, this way. Done? Okay. So this one you have completed, or now here you can mark this properly, and afterward also you can do. No, better I've given you time, so write it down now. I hope you have written also. Done. Now we will do number 2. Okay, number 2, see, you have to cross. What you have to do is number 2, you have to cross out the missing fruit in each group. See here, suppose it is a plate full of fruits, so here you can see different three kinds of fruits. So from here you have to choose that fruit that is not available here, which is not available here. Okay, choose our cross out the missing fruit in each group. Here you have to, here four names are given, but here we can see three fruit, isn't it? So you have to cross out the name of the fruit that is not available here. So what are given here? Apple, right, then peach, then amla, then marshmallow. Can you see amla here? This is apple, marshmallow and peach. Amla is not there, so you have to put a cross here near amla. Okay, do it. Amla, this way. Amla is not there, so you'll cut it. Now come to the next group. Next group, see, you can see so many fruits. So number 1, lime, isn't it? Orange, amla and papaya. So here lime, orange, amla and papaya. In this group we have seen that papaya is not there, so you have to cross this one. We have seen amla, orange, lime, then many other fruits here, right? But papaya is not there, so you will cut this one. Now come to this group. So what are the names given here and what are the fruit that you can see here? We can the name given is are orange, papaya, gooseberry and marshmallow. But here when we see this picture, see, marshmallow is not there, right? This is papaya, this is orange, this is Cape gooseberry, but this marshmallow is not there, so you will cross marshmallow. Okay, this way. Done. So this part, page number 10 is also done. Then come to exercise number 3. Now, do you know the names of this nut? This is exercise number 3. So you are asked, do you know the name of this nut? Then you have to write this here. Okay, fill up the box. Numberings are given like this is cross, across, and then this is down, right? So first picture that we can see here is, now names are also given, options are given: almonds, cashew, coconut, peanut, pistachio and walnut. These names are given here. Okay, so names are given here, so you have to see this, check this fruit. Like suppose, what is this? This is peanut. What is this? Cashew. This is number 2. Number 1 is peanut. So accordingly you have to fill it up here. Okay, what you have to do, you have to fill it up there and see number 1. So suppose number 1 is this, number 1 is this is number 1, right? This is number 1, so you have to write peanut here because number 1 is peanut. So Peanut, peanut, like this way. Peanut, peanut, this way. Peanut. Then number 2, cashew. Where is number 2 given? Number 2. Let us see, number 2 is here. Number 2, CASHEW. Write down CASHEW. So this is cashew, right? Cashew nut we say, right? Then come to number 3. What is number 3? Number 3 is, what is this called? Walnut. Number 3 is walnut. So this is number 3, walnut. So we will write here number 3. You have to check first where is number 3 given. WALNUT, walnut. WALNUT, number 3, walnut. WALNUT, walnut. Done. Then come to number 4, coconut. Number 4 is coconut. So here we'll find out where is number 4. COCONUT, nut, coconut. COCONUT, nut, coconut. This is called coconut. Okay, then you come to number 5. Number 5 is almond, right? This number 5. Number 5 we have found here. This is number 5. This is number 5. So we will write number 5, almond. ALMOND, almond. ALMOND, almond, right? Then come to number 6. This is number 6. So what is this called? Pistachio. So you'll write, the spelling is also given here. From here you can write the spelling. So let us write PISTACHIO, pistachio. Okay, this fruit is called pistachio, right? So this way we have completed this part. So in this class we will do this one. Okay, and number 4 is, which of these have nut inside? We can see the picture of 4 fruits here. They have got nut inside. Nut means what? Seed. So this is what? This is coconut, isn't it? So these are what? These are amla, I hope. Yes, then this is peanut and this is banana. So what you have to do is, which of these have nut inside this fruit? Which of this fruit have nut? Banana, they don't have nut inside. And then this is, I think, amla or amla, I hope that no nut inside. But here the correct answer is number A and number C, because here nut, it has got nut inside, peanut, and here also coconut. Here inside this you find nut, right? So here the answer is A and C. Okay, so this is the whole page that we have done. Write it properly in your CW, or not CW copy, in the book itself, because here GK you will do in the book itself. Okay, so we have completed chapter 7, and write this properly in your book itself. Okay, if you have any problem, you can ask me. Thank you.